Hello and welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. I'm so glad you're here. Today we write an I am poem, a poem of voice, of presence, a poem that begins where you are. So grab that journal and something to write with, and let's begin. Open your journal to a new page. Before you write, pause. Take one deep breath in and a long exhale. Let your shoulders soften, let your body settle, and at the top of the page write, "Today I am," and leave space beneath it. Now begin writing, one line at a time. There is no required length, there is no required structure. Lines may be brief, white space is welcome. You might begin with phrases like, I am not. I listen, I hear, I see. I feel, I release. I am becoming. There's no need to use all of these. Let the voice that arrives be honest, unmasked, and present. This is not a poem of explanation. It's a poem of being. You don't need variety to be expressive. Repetition builds rhythm and steadiness. If a phrase wants to return, allow it. If a word keeps coming back, trust it. The poem may circle, it may pause, it may rest. You are allowed to write into silence, into uncertainty, into what you don't yet know how to say. You are allowed to contradict yourself. You are allowed to be unfinished. Of all the poetic forms I've studied, this is the one I return to most as a reader. From Walt Whitman's wild declaration to Maya Angelou's grounded, embodied voice, the I Am poem carries a particular kind of truth, not argued, not explained, but spoken, a voice emerging in real time. When you feel the urge to explain, pause. Often the poem is already complete. Read what you've written aloud, quietly, to yourself. Listen for presence, not polish. Give the poem a title. If you type it later, honor the spacing and the breadth of the lines. Ask yourself, did I express myself and stay true to me? Did my voice arrive? If yes, you did it. You wrote an I am poem. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.